In this video, I will show you how you can install and open WhatsApp on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install WhatsApp on your tablet. Now after that, just tap on Open. From here, just select your language. And after you select your language, then tap on Agree and Continue. Now just select Allow. Now if you want to set up WhatsApp on your tablet, you can do it from here. From here, just select your country or region. Then in this section, just enter your phone number. But for example, if your Samsung tablet does not support LTE, or if you want to link the WhatsApp of your phone to your tablet, then tap on the three dots over here. Now just select Link as Companion Device. Now as you can see, a QR code has appeared on the screen. Now from here, just scan this QR code using your phone. Now as you can see, I have an iPhone over here, and I have WhatsApp already set up on this phone. Now if you have an Android device, the steps are similar. On your phone, just open WhatsApp, and if you have an Android device, just tap on the three dots over here, and then a pop-up menu will appear on the screen. From that menu, just select Link Device. But if you have an iPhone, just tap on U at the bottom of the screen and select Link a Device. Then enter your lock screen PIN or pattern and tap on OK. Now from here, just scan this QR code using your phone. And after you do that, you will link the WhatsApp of your phone to your tablet. As you can see, this is the same WhatsApp on my phone opened on our tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.